Welcome back to the CashWave Strategy Vault. This is video 13 in our 18-part series, and today we're diving into the tools that make earning from your phone not just possible, but scalable. Let me ask you something. What if your phone could do more than just send texts, browse the web, or scroll through endless social feeds? What if it became a tool for earning income? Imagine this. Your phone buzzes, and it's not a notification about a group chat or a social media like. It's an alert telling you you've just earned money. That's not just an idea, it's a real system I've built, and I'm here to share it with you. With the right tools and steps, your phone can truly become your gateway to income streams. Whether it's affiliate earnings, faceless YouTube videos, or quick gigs, you already have everything you need to start. By the end of this video, you'll know which tools to use and how to use them to power your affiliate success. Everything I mention is linked below for easy access, so you can get started today. Earn anywhere. Craig's Essential Tool Stack. Success in affiliate marketing isn't just about what you do, it's about how efficiently you do it. The right tools don't just save you time, they open the door to entirely new possibilities. Here are the tools I use every day to create, share, and scale my results. 1. CapCut Mobile. CapCut is my go-to app for video editing, and it's completely changed how I approach content creation. Simple video editing. Whether I'm creating TikToks, Reels, or YouTube Shorts, CapCut handles everything, from trimming clips to adding captions and transitions. Beginner-friendly. You don't need to be a video editor to get professional results. CapCut automates captions, transitions, and even filters to make your videos visually appealing without needing technical skills. Quick results. I can upload a raw clip, customize it, and export a finished product within minutes. 2. Canva Mobile. When it comes to creating graphics or thumbnails, Canva Mobile is a non-negotiable part of my workflow. Polished designs without the stress. Whether it's a YouTube thumbnail, Fiverr gig banner, or Instagram story, Canva has templates for everything. Accessible to everyone. Its drag-and-drop simplicity makes creating professional-looking content a breeze. Time-saving templates. Canva offers pre-designed layouts that are ready to go. I can tweak them for my needs in under 5 minutes. 3. Repurpose.io. Repurpose.io is the ultimate tool for maximizing your content's reach. Automated content distribution. When I post a video to TikTok, Repurpose.io automatically republishes it to YouTube, Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook. Save time while increasing reach. This tool multiplies your visibility without multiplying your workload. Perfect for scaling. The more places your content is seen, the faster you build an engaged audience that converts. 4. TubeMagic. TubeMagic is the ultimate script generator for faceless video creators. Time-efficient scripting. TubeMagic takes the hardest part of video creation and simplifies it. Input your topic, and it gives you a complete script in minutes. High-retention formats. These scripts are designed to keep your audience engaged, which leads to better results on YouTube and increased watch time. Once you've got the foundation in place with these tools, you might wonder, what's next? If you're ready to expand your efforts and scale your income, Tube Mastery by Matt Parr is an advanced program worth considering. Why it matters. Tube Mastery takes the strategies behind faceless YouTube channels and turns them into a step-by-step roadmap. From content creation to monetization, it's a complete blueprint. Many in the CashWave community, myself included, started with these mobile tools and then transitioned into fully fledged YouTube channels powered by Tube Mastery. When I first started working online, I barely had the tools or resources I needed. I had no laptop, no fancy cameras, and no technical expertise. What I did have was a phone and a willingness to try. That's where everything began. CapCut. Some of my earliest earnings came from simple review videos edited entirely in CapCut. Each video led to affiliate commissions, and with momentum, I added more tools. Canva. Using Canva, I created designs that stood out, whether it was for gig banners or thumbnail images. The clean, polished look got people to click Repurpose.io. When I started posting shorts to TikTok, Repurpose.io became a time-saving lifesaver. It turned those clips into omnipresent content across platforms. TubeMagic. Scripting used to take me forever, but with TubeMagic, creating faceless YouTube content became streamlined. I didn't need to start big to see big results. Starting small with the right tools made it all possible. Here's how others in our community are experiencing success with these tools. Jenny F., Dallas, Texas. Jenny said, I began editing with CapCut and designing with Canva on my phone. Within weeks, my TikToks were gaining traction, and now I'm using TubeMagic to plan my channel. Troy C., Orlando, Florida. Troy shared, Repurpose.io gave me reach I never expected. It feels like I'm everywhere at once without additional work. Allie B., San Diego, California. Allie said, Canva brought my Fiverr gigs to life. My first design sale led to repeat orders and more than $1,000 in earnings. Which tool are you most excited to try? Or if you're already using one, what success have you seen? Drop a comment below. I check everyone and would love to hear what's working for you. And if you're serious about getting started or stepping up your game, download Toolkit 6, Mobile Earning Starter Kit below. You'll get guides, checklists, and links to the tools I rely on daily. Some bonuses and upgrades are time-sensitive, so don't wait long to grab them. Next up, we're venturing into Toolkit 7, my $10,000 partner stack. That's where I'll show you how affiliate partnerships can create exponential income growth. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one.